Hey, Echo, pause. Kathryn Emery, home improvement and lifestyle expert. I went to Consumer Electronics Show last week. It was amazing. The growth of smart home continues to evolve, and especially that Amazon and Google can talk to everything. Good news, I found one of my favorite products there, Lifx, which can talk to both and more. The reason I fell in love with these Lifx tiles, it may seem a little awkward right now because they're on my table. Usually they go on a wall. They're taking the place of art, mirrors. It's a really cool way to create ambiance, add a new look to your living room, your kitchen, above your fireplace, wherever you want to be. The thing I love about these Lifx tiles is, number one, you don't need a hub. You literally can just go buy these, plug them in, connect them to your Wi-Fi. Well, first download the app, then connect them to your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. The next thing I love about these is there's 16 million colors. You heard me right, 16 million. If I had $1 for every color in these things, we'd be doing this from a penthouse looking at the ocean, but maybe next year. So I'm gonna show you a few of the different colors here. Another thing I really like, so they announced this at Consumer Electronics Show. We're gonna do some different effects. Here's a tranquil, feeling very calm out there. For example, at Consumer Electronics Show, they announced that eventually you'll be able to touch these to change the color, and they also have a really cool flame that's gonna come out. You don't need to go buy a whole new set. The firmware is built into the light fixtures and the light bulbs, so you get the coolest innovation and the coolest technology with whatever version of Lifx you've bought. It wouldn't go without saying that you can also boss it around through your smart home voice device. So, Echo, turn off tiles. She listens so well. All right, I think I'm gonna get these up on the wall, get some beams going, maybe throw a couple BR30s in my overhead, and we'll check back in for some more good smart home stuff.